Hey. Are you ready to discover a game changer for your overall wellness? Well, brace yourself because I'm about to drop a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that a plant-based diet can boost your health and well-being more than you ever imagined? Today, we're diving deep into the world of plant-based diets and how they can transform your life for the better. Get ready to learn how simple dietary changes can have a profound impact on your health and vitality. Let's face it, many of us struggle with health issues due to poor diet choices and a lack of essential nutrients. From feeling sluggish and overweight to dealing with digestive problems, our bodies often pay the price for not fueling them properly. But fear not, because the solution is right at our fingertips: a plant-based diet. By embracing plant foods and cutting back on animal products, you can experience a whole new level of wellness. Picture this: increased energy levels, effortless weight loss, and a happy gut thanks to improved digestion. It's all within reach with a plant-based lifestyle. Now, here comes the game changer: a plant-based diet can elevate every aspect of your life. From boosting your physical health to enhancing mental clarity, the benefits are truly endless. Wave farewell to feeling sluggish and welcome a vibrant, thriving you. In addition, the environmental benefits are significant. Reducing your consumption of animal products can lower your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable planet. It's a win-win situation for both you and the Earth. And here's a little secret: making the transition to a plant-based diet is easier than you might think. With so many delicious and nutritious plant-based recipes available, you'll never feel deprived. In fact, you might discover new favorite dishes that you never knew existed. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet is the ultimate key to unlocking your full wellness potential. Leave health issues behind and embrace a vibrant, energized life. The power of plants is truly remarkable. So, what are you waiting for? I encourage you to start incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. And hey, don't forget to share your journey and thoughts in the comments below. Let's support each other on this transformative wellness path. And there you have it. Plant-based diets for the win. If you're curious to dive deeper and get started with some amazing plant-based recipes, check out the link in the description below. This recipe book includes a special section on plant-based eating that's packed with tips and meal plans to help you on your journey. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness tips. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.